In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off safe browsing on Google Chrome. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Click on Security for safe browsing and protection from dangerous sites. Under Safe Browsing, Enhanced Protection is selected. Real-time AI-powered protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. And Enhanced Protection is the highest level protection. And you will find another protection level, Standard Protection, that's medium level protection. Protect against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. And you will find another option, no protection, and it's not recommended. Doesn't protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. You can temporarily enable this option. Click on no protection and turn off safe browsing. A pop-up menu has been opened. Click on turn off, and then you have to turn off use secure DNS. That's it. Now safe browsing is turned off on my Google Chrome browser.